you're watching me on Akriti Handa, welcome back to my channel. So as promised in my previous video, today I am going to share with you all my honest review on another Wow Skin Sense product, which is their Himalayan Rose Body Butter. So let's begin with the video. Also, before going further in the video, please do consider to subscribe to my channel for more beauty related content and lively vlogging. As I said, it is a well-known brand, and moreover to that, it is an Indian brand. So why not we include it? We should promote our nation and be vocal for our locals. This brand promotes nature and women empowerment, as the products are made from naturally derived ingredients, and also 80% of the people working with this brand are women. As this brand promotes nature, all the products comes with eco-friendly packaging, free from harmful chemicals, sulfate, silicone, paraben, artificial colorant and fragrance. So it suits almost all skin types. All the products are dermatologically tested, cruelty-free and 100% vegan. With all the goodness, it comes with a unique QR code for each product so that you can never be fooled and check its authenticity whenever you purchase any of the product from Wow. This brand also have an official website and app for all the Android and iOS users. Wow products are available in Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Nykaa, Purple.com and now also in nearest offline stores. So starting with the outer packaging, it comes in a cardboard box and the inner packaging is in a tub jar with 200 ml of the product. The MRP of the product is $4.99 and it comes with 1 year of shelf life. The key ingredients of the product are rose water, shea butter, sweet almond oil and aloe vera extracts. So here the rose water hydrates skin, manages sebum production and improves skin texture. Shea butter has vitamin E that restores elasticity and nourishes the skin. Sweet almond is rich in vitamin A, B1, B6 and E, which helps in skin repair, protects from UV rays and balances moisture and softness. Aloe vera is antioxidant and mineral rich, which soothes and protects skin from inflammation, itching and rashes. If we talk about the consistency, it is way more thicker than the body lotion, and so with all the goodness, it hydrates, tones and enhances dry and dull looking skin with the exotic fragrance of real roses which lingers on throughout the day. As here I am with Himalayan Rose Body Butter, but it comes in different variants as well, like olive, vitamin E, banana, nargis, citrus, moringa, African shea, mango, coffee and cocoa, argan oil, stretch care and rainforest collection. We can choose any of the body butter of our choice as well, as it is very helpful to maintain the skin pH and oil balances. It hydrates the skin and makes it soft. It evens out the complexion and minimizes fine lines. It also protects skin from environmental damage and revives the dull skin. First and the most important step of applying any of the skincare or hair care is that apply it on clean skin or clean hair. And so I will recommend you to apply it on the damp skin after bath. Step number 2 is to rub the product in between your palm to warm it up a little bit before the application. Last step is to massage the product till it gets absorbed into the skin. Also, you can reapply a second layer on knees, elbows, feet and other areas that get extra dry and requires extra nourishment. So yeah, this is all I wanted to share with you all, and I hope you really liked it and it is helpful for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. Bye. See you in my next video.